Hey friends, if Windows 10 or Windows 11 adaptive brightness is not working on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to run the power troubleshooter. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command msdt.exe /id power diagnostic and hit enter. This will open the power troubleshooter. Click on next and it will start detecting issues related with power. The second solution is to restore the power plan to default. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command powercfg.cpl and hit enter to open the power options window. Now go to change plan settings and click on restore default plan settings for this plan and click on yes. The next solution is to update the graphics card drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager window. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the display adapter and select update driver and click on search automatically for drivers. The last solution is to turn off adaptive brightness. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select display in the right pane. Select brightness. Now we have an option change brightness based on content. Turn it off. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.